OneDrive files often change multiple times a day. Edits, comments, and updates can make it hard to track what changed or recover an earlier version. Here's how OneDrive Version History lets you view and restore previous file versions. First, sign in to OneDrive. Next, locate the file you want to check the version history of. Click the three dots and then select Version History. View the list of saved versions. The current version appears at the top. Older versions will appear below, being ordered by date. Once you find the version you are looking for, you can open or restore it. If you decide to restore a version, the current version is not deleted. OneDrive keeps it as an older version in the version history list. This lets you restore again if needed. Version history is great for tracking changes in files, but many important updates happen in conversations before anything ever gets saved. That's where Tactiq comes in. It captures your meeting discussions in real time, creating transcripts. It also has summaries you can refer back to, just like version history, only for conversations. Visit Tactiq.io to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for more OneDrive productivity tips.